Hello everyone, my name is Saf, you're watching Grey on Tech TV, and today in this session we'll be exploring the new updates that we got on Appian 23.4. Let's begin. Number 1. Self-service data exploration. Appian's self-service data analytics capabilities provide business users with a user-friendly interface to explore their data without the need of specialized data analysis or the respective skills. The users can drag and drop the fields to create interactive visualizations, filter and sort the data, and uncover insights using AI-powered recommendations. Next, real-time data insights. Appian's self-service analytics leverage real-time data streaming to provide up-to-date insights into business performance. This enables users to identify the trends and anomalies as they occur, allowing for proactive decision-making. Next, we have AI-powered insights. Appian's self-service analytics utilize machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in data that may not be immediately apparent to human users. These AI-powered insights can help businesses make more informed decisions and improve operational efficiency. Next, seamless robotic task integration. Appian's enhanced robotic task smart service allows you as a user to seamlessly integrate robotic tasks directly into the process models. This eliminates the need of connected systems or integration rules, simplifying the task process. Next, flexible robotic task configuration. Robotic tasks can be configured within the smart service node of process models, providing a greater flexibility and control over task execution. Users can define task parameters, specify input and output data, and handle error conditions. Next, streamlined workflow automation. The integration of robotic tasks into process models enables the creation of automated workflows that combine human as well as robotic tasks. This allows for the automation of repetitive and time-consuming tasks while still allowing human intervention for complex decision-making or exceptional cases. Next, doubled data sync capacity. Appian has doubled the maximum number of rows that can be synchronized for each record type, from 2 million to 4 million. This allows organizations to handle larger data sets and manage data integrity as the data needs grow. Next, enhanced data synchronization performance. Appian has implemented optimization to improve the performance of data synchronization. This reduces the time it takes to sync the data between Appian Cloud and external systems, ensuring data consistency and availability. Next, scalable data fabric. The increased data sync capacity and enhanced performance enable Appian's data fabric to scale with organizations' growing data needs. This ensures that applications remain proficient and reliable as the data volume increases. Next, simplified record and related record data queries. The new A-Bank query record by identifier function that is provided by Appian current version has introduced a simplification of process building queries to retrieve the data from related records. Users can specify the record identifier and the desired data fields, and the function will automatically retrieve the relevant data. Next, reduced query configuration. The A-Bank query record by identifier function eliminates the need for complex query configurations, making it easier for developers to build efficient data retrieval processes. This reduces the development time and improves the maintainability of the applications. Next, enhanced data retrieval performance means the optimized query execution process ensures that the data is retrieved from related records quickly and efficiently. This contributes to the overall performance of the applications that rely on related data. So thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. As always, if you have any questions or you would like to add a discussion, leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.